Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public your Upwork profile. First, ensure your profile is fully completed, ideally 100%, to maximize your chances of attracting clients. Incomplete profiles often appear less professional and may not be visible in search results. Next, access your profile settings, usually found under your profile picture or a settings menu. Here, you'll find the option to change your profile's visibility status from private to public. This crucial step makes your expertise discoverable to potential clients actively seeking freelancers. To build a strong profile, start with a compelling title and overview that clearly communicates your expertise and value proposition. Think of it as your professional elevator pitch. Next, curate a powerful portfolio showcasing your best work. Include at least 3 to 5 strong examples. This visual evidence demonstrates your capabilities more effectively than words alone. Finally, populate your skills section with relevant keywords and add any certifications you possess. This helps Upwork's algorithm match you with appropriate job postings and client searches. Optimizing your profile for client searches is key to getting noticed. Consider creating specialized profiles if you offer diverse services, allowing you to tailor your presentation for specific niches. Staying active on the platform by regularly applying for jobs also signals to Upwork that you are engaged, which can positively impact your visibility. Furthermore, actively seek out and encourage clients to leave testimonials. Positive feedback and 5-star ratings significantly enhance your credibility and attract more high-quality leads. Maintaining your profile is an ongoing process for sustained success. Regularly update your portfolio with your latest and greatest projects to keep it fresh and relevant. This shows potential clients your evolving skills and recent accomplishments. Promptly responding to client messages is also vital. A quick response time can significantly improve your chances of securing a project and reflects professionalism. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep learning and growing your skills to stay competitive in the marketplace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.